Hey guys, what's up? It's Gypsy Queen and today I'm going for a hike to Happy Valley Tea Estate. So I don't know guys if this is my bad luck or something because every time I decide to go explore places, the view gets blocked. अघिसम्म घाम लागिरहेको थियो अनि the view was amazing. तर अहिले चाहिँ because of एकदमै foggy लागिरहेको छ त्यो भएर चाहिँ view is blocked. So I just heard from the local that the tea garden is really huge and to explore to the end of it is not possible because the route goes on and also there are many villages on the way. So I have decided to end here because it's already 5:30 p.m. and I have to go back up all the way. So if you like the video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.